Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
4 years since Russia launched its full-scale invasion, people across Ukraine have remembered their dead from a war which shows no sign of ending. As the conflict enters a fifth year, the Ukrainian military continues to resist being overrun by Russian forces, but military losses are mounting on both sides and Ukraine's population faces near-daily aerial attacks. On Tuesday, Volodymyr Zelensky said Ukraine never chose the war, they've defended their independence and have not lost their statehood. The Kremlin, which believed it could capture Kyiv within days, acknowledged its war aims haven't been fully achieved yet and said it intended to continue attacking Ukraine. And U.S. news anchor Savannah Guthrie has announced her family is offering a $1 million reward for information leading to the return of her mother on day 24 of the search for the 84-year-old. The news anchor said in an Instagram video that her family is aching for Nancy Guthrie, who is suspected to have been abducted from her home in Tucson, Arizona. The family believes the senior Guthrie may be lost or dead. In the video released on Tuesday morning, Savannah said her family would also donate $500,000 to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinsky Robinson.